How to apply product rule? Product indicates multiplication. Some function u into v whole dash equals to product rule uv whole dash equals to u into v dash plus v into u dash. Product of two functions or variable differentiation is equals to first function as it is differentiation of second function plus second function as it is differentiation of first function. Example, x into sin x, y equals to x into sin x. X is first function, sin x is second function. That is, first is u, second is v. With respect to y, with respect to x, differentiation of y is dy by dx is equals to first function as it is. First function means x. Differentiation of second function v dash, sin x derivatives. Sin x derivative is cos x plus second function as it is. Second function sin x. Differentiation of first function. First function is here x. X derivative is 1. X into cos x plus sin x. Take another one example. Y equals to cos x into x square. Here cos x is u, x square is v. That is first function, second function. Product rule u into v whole dash equals to first function as it is differentiation of second function plus second function as it is differentiation of first function. U cos x as it is cos x. Differentiation of v, x square derivative. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of x square is 2x plus v. V means x square. X square as it is. Derivative of u. Cos x derivative. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Simplify. 2x into cos x plus into minus minus x square into sin x. Let's complete. Next important rule is quotient rule. Quotient rule. Quotient means division. U by v. Some function u and some function v. U by v whole dash. First, denominator square. V square. Denominator square. V as it is. V as it is. Differentiation of first function. V u dash. Sign is negative. As it is u. Keep u. Same. Differentiation of v second function. That is u is first function, v is second function. Second function square. Second function as it is. First function differentiation minus first function as it is, differentiation of second function. This is the formula for quotient rule. U by V whole dash equals to VU dash minus UV dash by V square. Let us take some example. Example, x by e power x. First function here is x, second function is e power x. Or first function u is x, v is e power x. dy by dx equals to denominator square. Denominator here e power x. E power x whole square. Denominator square. Next, as it is e power x. E power x. Differentiation of first function. Differentiation of first function x. Derivative of x is 1 minus sign u. U means first function. First function here is x. X as it is. Differentiation of second function. Second function denominator e power x. Derivative of e power x is e power x. This is the. Take another one example. Y equals to tan x divided by log x. Differentiate with respect to x. Quotient rule, u by v whole dash equals to denominator square vu dash minus uv dash. Okay. Derivative of y, dy by dx equals to denominator square log x whole square. As it is v log x. Differentiation of first function, numerator function, tan x derivative secant square x minus u as it is. U means tan x. Tan x. Derivative of log x, v. Log x is 1 by x. Next, simplify.